Hey everyone, this is just a quick tutorial on how to set up your PlayStation 3 to a home theater system, speakers, surround sound, etc., whatever you can hook up. First of all, what you're going to want to do is have an AV cable. Try to be able to see it here, but obviously the one that has the square back. And then you're going to run that to whatever home theater system you're using. I have a kind of old Sony one, but whatever works. First off, you can't really see the labels, but overall there's a bunch of videos. Video 1, Video 2, Video 3, DVD, monitor out. It can be kind of confusing, but what you want to do is, if this is your primary goal for your theater system, you're going to want to go to Video 1, and it's going to have an in, and the yellow corresponds to yellow, white to white, and red to red, so that's going in. So Video 1, there's the yellow right there, there's white, and there's red. And then also, say if you didn't have a splitter, or you also was using a TV that used AV cables, then you could have an out. You could be directed to that, but that's not what we're here for. So that's basically it. What you want to do then is, give me a sec, it's kind of heavy, but once you turn it on to the front of it, you would want to put it onto Video 1, and then if you were running sound out of it for your PlayStation 3, you would want to go to all the way down here to sound settings, audio output settings, and you would want it to be on the one that corresponds to you is really the AV multi, because that's what you're connecting it from. So you click on that and you can hear it, and if I turn the volume up higher, then you can hear it. And also, if you are just setting it up for the first time, then you're also going to want to know about speakers. And I have two Sherwin Vegas that are three-way speakers. I got a front, and I have two surround sound speakers. So all those cables, like the center speaker is that one, which is kind of hard to see. It's the green one. And then the surround speakers are the white and blue ones, and the front speakers are the main ones that you're going to use. So whatever speakers you have, you just got to correspond them. If you do everything correctly, and you have everything on the right input and settings, then you should have sound coming out of your PS3 in high definition.